Hello students, how are you? This is standard 7 subject chemistry, and in this chapter we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 2. So let's start our video. The name of the chapter is physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. So first question is, what type of change is the cutting down of tree? Answer is A, desirable change. Answer is A, desirable change, because it is not a reversible change, because after cutting a tree we can't grow the same tree again, and none of this is not the option. And then B number is undesirable change. तो हमारी इच्छा ना हो और हम ट्री को कट कर दें, ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. वी कट द ट्री बिकॉज वी need something from tree. We need wood for the furniture, for making wood material. That's why we cut it down. So it is a desirable change. Okay. Second question is, which of the following is not a reversible change? So answer is C, burning of magnesium in the air. Burning of magnesium in the air is not a reversible change. Then third number is, which of the following is not physical change? So answer is D, rusting of iron is not a physical change. In this process, iron completely turn into a rust or another material. Then fourth number is, which of the following is a characteristic of physical change? Which of the following is the characteristic of physical change? Answer is C, change is temporary. Change is temporary is the characteristic of physical change. Now question number 5 is, which of the following is an example of chemical change? Option A, melting of ice. Option B, drying of clothes, sugar dissolved in water. And option D, cooking food. So answer is D, cooking food is the example of chemical change. Now B number question is, tick the correct word. The first statement is, the formation of curd is A, physical or chemical change. So answer is chemical change. Second is, the rotting of fruits is. Answer is an undesirable change. An undesirable change is rotting of fruits. Then third number is, germination of seed is the germination of seed is an irreversible change. Irreversible change. Fourth number, evaporation of water is a reversible change. Reversible change. Fifth number, the heating of sugar is a chemical change. Answer is chemical change. Now C number, write true or false. Correct the statement. False statement. So first statement is, the stretching of rubber band is an irreversible change. It is a false statement. The correct statement is, the stretching of a rubber band is a reversible change, because rubber again come to its own original position, then original shape. Second number is, the burning of magnesium ribbon is an irreversible change. Yes, it is a true statement. Three number, the boiling of water is physical change. True. Fourth number, the rusting of iron is a chemical change. True. Fifth number, the burning of candles involves both physical and chemical changes. True. Next question is, name the following. And first question is, a type of change in which the chemical composition does not change. A type of change in which the chemical composition does not change. Answer is physical change. Second number is, a type of change in which we cannot get back the original substance. Answer is chemical change. Then third number is, a type of change that can harm us is undesirable change. Undesirable change. Fourth number is, a type of change in which the chemical composition of a substance changes. A type of change in which the chemical composition of substance changes. Answer is chemical change. Chemical change. Fifth number, a type of change that can be returned to its original form by reversing the condition. It is called physical change or reversible change. Physical change and reversible change. So first question, answer the following in detail. First question is, differentiate between the following changes with suitable examples. A, desirable and undesirable change. B, reversible and irreversible change. So answer of A is desirable change. The change that are useful to human beings are said to be desirable changes, whereas a change that is harmful to human being or causes destruction is called an undesirable change. B. Reversible and irreversible change difference. B. A change that can be reversed or returned to its original form by reversing the condition is called a reversible change, whereas a change that cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change. Now next question is define a physical and chemical change. Give two example of each. So answer is a physical change is a physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed. Some example of physical changes are glowing of an electric bulb, magnetizing a piece of iron. Then a chemical change is a permanent change in which the original substance loses its own composition and properties. Some example of chemical changes are formation of curd from milk, cooking of food. These are the two examples. Now question number 3, give two differences between physical and chemical changes. Two differences between physical and chemical changes. So answer is in physical change, the change is temporary and can be reversed by simple physical method. No new substance are formed. In chemical change, the change is permanent and cannot be reversed by simple physical method. New substance with different composition and properties are formed. Then question number 4, explain why the burning of a candle is an example of physical as well as chemical changes. Answer is burning of candle is an example of both physical as well as chemical change, because during the burning of candles some wax melt and solidifies back to wax on cooling. Therefore this shows that the melting of wax is a physical change. During the burning of candles some wax undergo combustion. It burns to produce new substance, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Therefore this also show a chemical change, and that is why this candle burning is a physical and chemical change both. Now next question is think and answer. So first question is the process of boiling and evaporation are physical changes. Why? So answer is the processes of boiling and evaporation are physical changes. For example, when water is boiled it changes to water vapor, steam, and when water vapor is cooled it condenses back to liquid water. This means that the change of state is in all these cases is temporary and reversible. New substance is formed and the chemical composition of substance like water does not change. And second question is sublimation of ammonium chloride is a physical change. Why? So ammonium chloride sublimes on heating. Answer is ammonium chloride sublimes on heating. We can get back ammonium chloride from its vapors on cooling. So sublimation is a physical change. Now next question is question number 3 is when finely powdered iron and sulfur are heated together a chemical change occurs. Why? मतलब बहुत ही महीन फॉर्म में पाउडर फॉर्म में आयरन और सल्फर को अगर गर्म किया जाए तो केमिकल चेंज होता है. क्यों? सो आंसर इज़ फाइनली, बहुत ही माइक्रो लेवल पर पाउडर किए गए आयरन एंड सल्फर को हीट करते हैं तो देन दे कंबाइन टू फॉर्म ब्लैक आयरन सल्फाइड and the composition and property of iron sulfide is different from those iron and sulfur. So hence the formation of iron sulfide from iron and sulfur is a chemical change. So here are chapter number 2 physical change exercise solution is completing, and at last page I have given you all the answers all together in one page or two page. So kindly watch all the answers and write it down in your notebook. We will be meeting in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.